So I was trying to play Mortal Kombat 1, but I'm getting this error. There was an error contacting the Mortal Kombat 1 server. So what's really happening with the Mortal Kombat 1 servers? Well, let's check it out all the latest details. The latest tweet here you can see. Just with the MK1, we are going to release the second part with more story and have big surprise after that. Mortal Kombat 1 DLC story update. Something major I think. Alright, before we proceed, let me show you right here onto the down detector what's really going on, how many outage reports are there. Alright, so here you can see as of recently 490 outage reports. So definitely many people are reporting there is some kind of issue going on. Alright, so let me show you onto the Twitter what's really going on. Here you can see cannot connect it to M1, cannot connect to MK1 servers. Same issue on PC. MK1 servers down. Check this out. Mortal Kombat not working. Fix your game servers. This fellow is getting the same exact error. Connected to Mortal Kombat 1 servers. Please wait. Error contacting Mortal Kombat 1 servers. So definitely guys, this Mortal Kombat 1 servers is not working. Now there are some updates regarding the game. Let me show you what's really going on, why the Mortal Kombat servers are not working. Alright, so as of recently there is a Mortal Kombat 1 DLC story update, something major I think, and here you can see this is the post right over here. We are going to release the second part with a story and we have big surprise after that. The latest tweet here you can see, just with the MK1 we are going to release the second part with more story and have big surprise after that. So guys, what's gonna be the surprise? Well, you can check out the full video onto the YouTube guys, but definitely due to this update the Mortal Kombat 1 servers are not working. And speaking of the latest update, when the servers will be back up and running, there is no update. Once I get the details I'll keep you posted. So guys, make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Gas. See you in the next video.